Everyone has a story to tell, right? And we tell those stories through art.
This is a venture that my brother and I created, just continuing the passion from my grandfather. He used to take us to every museum in Madrid, and this is a way to remember him and his passion.
So what if you had an AI agent that could do procurement on your behalf, essentially help you find products for your interior design project a lot faster, and such that you don't actually have to spend time doing procurement, which designers really hate, and they can actually spend time designing.
We want to make it as simple as possible for any normal person to access what your product is.
Making a platform that might connect artists and spaces that exist out there that aren't being used, that are kind of just sitting in the dust, is, I think, a place to start to have more creativity in the world.